fucking with Lotto Boys, fuck nigga.
What's good, YouTube? Today, I'm getting ready to head out of town. About to go to Dallas, Texas. Actually, Denton, Texas. My brother's going on a college tour, checking out UNT. Then, after that, just visit some family, do some shopping. You know, typical stuff when you go out of town. Dallas isn't too crazy, but definitely a great city. A lot of things to do. Need to find some new foods to eat. Check out some TikToks. Really not sure what we have planned, but y'all just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already to join the family. Back at it, man. Clocking back in. We're at UNT. My brother's currently doing a college tour. And I'm catching up right now. Got the Gammas on. Terrible shoe choice. Purple jeans. Terrible short choice. Man, this school is nice. They have everything in here. Currently getting Jamba Juice real quick. My brother's still on the tour down there. I know y'all hear the music in the background, so y'all just stay tuned. Coming to the end of the tour. Hey, this school is nice. They have TVs and stuff everywhere. If you haven't already, go back and watch my vlog of UNT, because I've toured here too, but now it's my brother's turn. Time is flying by, bro. Time is flying by, but Slight Calabasas, Purple, Gammas. Hey, we chilling, but y'all stay tuned. Don't know if they're still walking around. They could have left me. I don't know. Stingray R. I don't know what that is. Maybe a Grand Sport or regular Corvette. Z06. Now we're at Grapevine Mills. That food was good. I rated 8 out of 10. Y'all should go try that. The Red Chick or something like that. Not sure. But now time to get North Face. Maybe some more running shoes. Got the Gammas on. Very uncomfortable. My calves are burning because I was working out. I did legs and it doesn't hurt till the second day. So I'm in North Face about to try on this. I liked what it said. Never stop exploring Texas. Cool. Let's see. I need to set y'all up. I think this looks too big. It might be just right. I think I would do this one. And I found this shirt. Oops. Kind of basic. Looks big. I'm gonna try on a large and an extra large. See which one I like. Then this white one. Oh yeah, I like this one. I might get this one. Let's try this one. I was looking for the bow, but come on, let's get out of here. This mall jumping. I whole lot of stuff going. We just got H&M, Polo. Now, I don't know where we're going, but Smug's jumping. It's jumping, it's jumping, it's jumping. Gamma's getting to work. Getting to work. Currently Old Navy now. About to try on these pants. Then, sheesh. Call it a day, man. Call it a day. We've been in here for about 2 hours and still haven't made it around the full freaking mall, but maybe Boba next. Let's see. This mall is so freaking big. We've been in here for like 10 hours, man. Really like 4, but hey. Finally walking out. Got a whole lot of stuff. About to head to my aunt's. Y'all stay tuned. What's good, man? Clocking back. I know this vlog has been very random, but back in Amarillo, back with the big 6-0, letting this mug run real quick. Decided to keep it, so I'm about to change all of this tomorrow. Yeah, change all that stuff tomorrow. But let me give y'all a quick vlog rundown. Excuse the sun if it's a bad angle or lighting. So, turn that off. Went to Dallas. Visited my aunt, went to the mall. Only went to one mall. We usually go to multiple malls, but only went to one mall. Went to UNT. Brother did a college tour. If you haven't already, go back and watch my UNT college tour if you want to see like more about the campus. Then that's all we did. That's honestly all we did. We just did a lot of walking at UNT, a lot of walking at the mall. Visited my aunt again and just chilled. I was so like tired and messed up. This was not one of my best Dallas trips. I usually get a lot more footage, just a lot of stuff going on. But now back in Amarillo, my coilovers for my Camaro just came in. We'll have those put on maybe Monday. Do that Monday. Fix this tomorrow. Cause Sunday I'll be chilling, my chill day. Try to learn some new stuff on Sundays. Go to church in the morning, online church. Then I need to get this truck tagged and registered. And after that, man, hey, back on the road, trying to find some more flips and see what I can get done for real. AC blowing good. This truck sounds good. It hasn't been on in a while. I wanna still sounding strong. Need a little belt pulley, something. I don't know, but really not sure where this vlog is headed. Today's Saturday. I may get out and do something. Let's finish the night off with a bar clip, few clips in a bar, maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and I promise, hey, I'm about to get more consistent with finishing out the clips. I really don't like when it's jumping everywhere, so just excuse that and be prepared for the future content. Update, we're now in the drop. Telling you, I never know what's going on, but now you see we're outside in the drop on this nice hot Saturday. Looking good, looking good. About to put gas in it. Then, I don't know. Just ride around, get a few clips.
Fucking with a lot of boys for a nigga.
back the next day after leaving Wingstop. Had a little car show. Now we're about to wash the Camaro. Probably do a little ride around Thompson again. It might be more people because it's Sunday. Usually more people on Sunday. And yeah, let's get a co-start. Not too bad, not too bad. Once again, not one of my best washes, but looks good for the most part. Better than it did. Now, about to go inside, eat, then catch me at Thompson or somewhere. Forgot these that came in. About to do a little unboxing of my coilovers. I wish I was rich. I would have got the BC coilovers, but I got, what are these? These are the Hyper 2 Rev 9, I think. It says it somewhere right here. Hyper Streak 2 Rev 9. I just needed some because my back shocks suck on that car. So, yeah. About to do a quick little unboxing of these. Good old coil. And boom. Rev 9. Not gonna take it out the plastic or nothing, but not sure if I'm gonna pay someone to put these on or me and my dad will put them on. But hey, hopefully it's not too stiff of a ride. I know they're adjustable. Not too cheap of coilovers, but definitely far from the best. I just need a good ride, so I'm not too much worried about it. They do look good. Might have to change these colors to blue before I put them on there. But yeah, I just wanted to come and show y'all those. Y'all stay tuned.
It's on the floor.
Heck, you wanna? Just raced AMG GT 63 or 43. You know what happened. Definitely got walked, but coming out to finish the vlog. Quick little POV around Thompson. Now, getting ready to head home, finish drying my hair, and edit this vlog, man. Thank everyone who has made it this far in the video. I know it's been a long, random vlog, but shout out to all the new supporters. It's only up from here. Stay tuned.